Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back at 49 this evening. I'm gonna work on starting to get these tacked in. First, I'm gonna clean up this back edge along the sides of the tailgate there, and then we'll start welding. So probably take me a little while to get these welded in. I do have to weld both sides again. We'll start on the inside, then I'll go to the outside. And then we're one step closer to having this bed done. So let's get to work. Thanks for joining us. Just some 80 grit, just trying to take any paint that was left over there. I know this side I had, welded some of it in already, so some of it was grinded and cleaned up. This side was not, and I wasn't trying to take away any material that I'm about to weld with. I was just trying to remove the paint, so threw some 80 grit on there, and it should be good to start welding now. So another thing that I gotta figure out here when I'm on this bed. Now after I'm finished with these, I'm gonna pull the motor out of this thing. We gotta get the new motor test fit in there. So that won't be tonight, of course, but that's gonna be the next process. I'm gonna kind of take a break from the bed and jump up there. So again, I'm gonna bounce between the two. I talked about this the other night. I'll weld, a few spot welds going around, jump over here, a few spot welds run, and I'll just keep going back and forth. I should find my blowgun. It's not under my butt. Found it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of go through and put some tacks in it and make sure everything is positioned right where I want it. So helps if you got the gas on. Okay, got it tacked in place. I am happy with everything. So I'm just gonna start chasing around everything like I did on that one. So pretty cool. So the wife, we have a lot of land here, and we have paths mowed and everything, and she walks the paths, and she found something, and it almost looks like a coin. It looks like I can see something written on it, but I can't read it. I would need to get my glasses. It's not a coin though. It looks like it's some kind of maybe buckle or something. It looks like it's got like an old warrior dude on it with the steel helmet with the broom on his head. But it's some kind of buckle of some sort. Super cool. That thing's probably old as crap. I'll have to get my glasses and see if I can read it. I see RROY maybe, and then it looks like XXV maybe. I need my glasses. Maybe it says Royal, and then the XXV. Super cool. Nifty. As you can see, I got the outside welded up. I didn't film that because you guys watched me film or watch me weld up the inside, so I wasn't gonna film the same panel being welded twice. But we're ready to grind this down before I move over to the other side. Figure I'll get this side done, then we could jump over to the other side. So I just grabbed an old piece of 36, like I've mentioned in the other videos. Just kind of knock it down first, kind of give me a flat surface to work the weld buster with. And then we'll go back to grinding and get it all cleaned up. Okay, so I got the outside all grinded up. I'll probably hit it with some 80 at another time, you know, probably before I do some Bondo, but I left it off in 60. So it looks pretty good. So let's get the inside done. Okay, we got inside and outside all grinded down. Looks good. I'm happy with it. It's nice and straight. Little bit of filler down here on the bottom, but not bad. I think the rest of it's just going to be a skim coat. reason we got a little bit down here on this corner is there's several pieces of metal. There's this outside structure, there's inside structure, then they have a pretty thick floor structure that's welded in part of this corner. There's a lot going on down here, a lot of pieces of metal all welded together, and it was just thicker there than the piece of metal that I put in. There's really nothing that I can do about it. Is what it is. But we'll fix it in the body work session of it. So rest of it looks good though. I'm happy with it. So on to the other side. I'm not going to film me welding it up. You guys have watched me weld enough on these two little panels here. So I'll see you guys when we're all welded up, ready to grind. Have a good night.
Oop.